Hi everyone, my name's Kobe and welcome to Kobe Dooley's Amazing Life. So I got Aeroplane Jelly to make some, I don't know, popsicle sticks, but they didn't really turn out that well. Like, they're not sticking onto the popsicle stick thing. But we got heaps left over. And we got Aeroplane Jelly. And it was blue. And so yeah. So I'm going to try something, putting the jelly flipped onto the plate. So I'm going to try that in 3, 2, 1. It's going to be hard to get it. I don't think it will work. Okay. I'm just trying to squeeze it. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna break the bowl.
Get a knife and go around it.
Okay, my mom just told me to get a knife. Oh, it's really squishy actually. No. Before I start this video, it's not gonna come out. I'm gonna make it come out. See it? It's like wobble wobble, wobble wobble. Woo! Actually, might just get a knife and just cut around the edges of it, so it's going to be easy to flip on. I should have done this when I first started this video. I should have known, but I didn't know. Not much. I think I need to cut. Oh, but if it fell out. Okay, I know when I'm just doing this, it's not gonna work. 1, 2, 3. It's not gonna be all there. I knew it. I'll just put it on. This is hard. Okay, next time, hopefully, it's going to turn out properly when I do this video. Whoa! Whoa! It's going to be hard to eat. Okay, that's all the jelly that's left over. So I'm just going to put it all into a plate. Now, we're gonna wobble the jelly. Wobble, 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 wobble. Now I'm gonna get a spoon. We're going to have whipped cream. Whipped cream this. First taste of the jelly. My first taste. Ready? Aeroplane jelly. This is Aeroplane Jelly saying. To be honest, I'm not actually a big fan of jelly, but this is actually really good. It's like airplane jelly. Pretend this is an airplane, put it in my mouth. Open it up so the airplane can go in. Airplane jelly went down the wrong way. It's actually really good. Guys, you should really buy Aeroplane Jelly. It is the best. You can buy whatever brand you want. And just to be honest, I'm not a big fan of jelly, but this is yum. This makes me want to die. Like a little way.
Jax, we've seen you with countless women. Unbelievable. What was it about this woman that was so special that you invited her to move?
This is the real color.
I mean, you can't help but not smile. I mean, every time we're together, it's such a great time.
He just sings too sweet, in my opinion. I mean,
It's so good. I can't stand how good it is. It's so good. So good. Anyway, see you guys.
No stranger to elective surgery. And this year he elected to have Peter's
Oh.
girlfriend, Blue,
Hi guys.
installed
I
on
didn't know you reappeared. Anyway, see, if I get to 50 subscribers, I'm gonna do a challenge with a friend. I don't know which challenge yet, but I'm gonna do a challenge. And so comment down below what favorite jelly you like. If you like Aeroplane Jelly, comment down below which color you like. And if you don't know, if you haven't tried any jelly, just go what jelly would you like. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to comment down below. Question of the day is, what jelly do you like? If you haven't tried jelly, just do what jelly you do like. And if you like Aeroplane Jelly, which I'm trying right now, write the color that you would like. And so that's all for today, guys. So see you next time on Kirby Does Amazing Live. Anyway, bye.